Will we ever get to a point where the stock market just doesn't go up anymore? Here's the thing. We are a consumer-driven society. We exist to do one thing, whether we like it or not, and that's create more shareholder value. Buy more things, buy more stuff. That's not going to stop, I don't think. Collectively, I don't think there's a point in which we all just say, we're done. Yes, there are boycotts. Yes, there are recessions. Yes, there are parts in time where our economy slows and people stop spending. But what always happens as soon as we get out of a recession, even with your friends and family and people you know? They run out and they buy more shit. Let's just say collectively we all do agree to consume a little bit less, not just for our wallets, but for the planet and all of that stuff. What would happen? Well, initially probably stocks would go down, but then corporations would readjust their targets, and instead of saying we're going to sell 10 billion units a year, we sell 5 billion. And it'll be slower, steadier growth, but everyone all will be better off because of it. But let's be realistic. That's never going to happen now, is it? Because we're addicted to consuming. And of course, there's always the doomsday scenario in which everything kind of ceases to exist. But then I don't think money would even matter, let alone your shares in a company. You know what I mean? So while there can be stagnation in the markets where markets don't go up or down for periods of time, even up to a decade, is there ever a point in which we look back 30 years from now and go, well, that was the high and everything's downhill from here? I personally don't see that happening. But here's what I do see happening. You hitting that follow button, because I got a new policy here, and that policy is if you're not already following me and you leave a question below, I'm not going to respond. It's just one way I set boundaries because a lot of people like to take a lot of advantage.